I'm ready when you're ready.
Okay. G'day. I'm Bob, the author of this website, Aha Croatian. And here I am in the gorgeous, 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 gorgeous city of Split, seaside town of Croatia. I grew up in a Croatian community near Fremantle in Western Australia, near Perth. But my parents decided that it was best for us not to learn Croatian, but to speak English in the home as a means of improving our ability to integrate into the broader society. We now know that that's a bit of a sad decision. Kids can deal with any number of languages. Really big pity. However, I'm trying to make up for that by learning the language and coming to know more of Croatia later in life. I'm lucky. A couple of years ago, I stumbled upon a website, made a phone call, and found my current teacher, Mateo Horvat, from Speak Crow Learning Centre. And that's opened my world to a whole array of engaging, interesting, even exciting experiences. It's really been terrific. So I think that I can give to anyone who's interested perspective of someone who's learning Croatian. Certainly there are lots of books and videos out there, but they're written, of course, by teachers and authors who are seeing things from their perspective about the logic, the sequence of presentation. But they're seeing things through their eyes, and that's, I guess, understandable. But I think through a learner's eyes, things are quite different. And I'd like to share those thoughts with some people, whether they're learning the language or not. So I've had these great experiences of learning Croatian, about language in general, the things I've done, things I've experienced, places I've been to, all as a result of this learning Croatian experience. And I hope I've got something interesting to say. So I look forward to sharing stuff with you in both directions in the future. I'm looking forward to that. That's Split. This is Bob. Be talking with you